I refer BTA quite a bit to friends and other colleagues because it works. Entrepreneurs don't need to be grinding it out every day, working 12-hour days. You know, they can run a successful business and have time to do things, plus make more money.
Some good camaraderie conversations, reconnecting with some of the members I haven't seen in over a year, some solo time on my own, and some nice time in the woods.
Last night when we were up at the bonfire, just had this moment with Danny and a few of the other guys sitting on the edge of the cliff and just feeling your batteries recharge.
I referred a good friend of mine in the Squamish area that has a business that needed help. From my experience with BTA, it was a no-brainer.
This morning I went out for a hunt. There was a group of 4 of us that went out looking for some whitetail bucks.
It was getting into the mountains, getting some fresh air, getting outside, getting active, getting away from the phones. It's been awesome. Everything's been great.
When you refer people to BTA, they show massive appreciation, like coming up here to a bunch of cabins in the woods, having it catered. This is awesome. We're having a great time.
Having fun.